Dear students, Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to have third lecture of English. In today's lecture, we will discuss the characters of the tale Merchant of Venus. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the four elements of the tale: that setting, plot, conflict, and resolution in detail with reference to Merchant of Venus. We also discussed the theme as well. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the character of the tale and then learn how to write a character sketch for a character. Dear students, there are many characters in the tale, but here I am discussing the 7 characters which tell the story of depth and devotion in the Shakespeare's Merchant of Venus. Among these, 4 are leading characters, that's Shylock, Antonio, Bassanio, and Portia, and 3 supportive characters, Nerissa, Gratiano, and Jessica. Let's have a look upon them. Antonio. Antonio is a rich Venetian merchant. He is a Christian. He has a number of ships which carry trade goods from one corner of the world to another. In the play, we are told that his ships are about to reach to the harbor with many goods. At that moment, his friend Bassanio asks him to give a loan of 3,000 ducats. He is not able to pay the money, so he sent him to Shylock, a Jewish moneylender, for taking the loan on his behalf. Noble and generous. Bassanio is a noble and generous man. He is respected by all the people for his nobility and generosity. His selfless generosity and kindness of heart have been frequently referred in the tale. He used to give money to all the people in distress without taking any interest. Shylock hates him because he lends money free of interest and thus bring down the rate of and interest of his business. Bassanio has several times borrowed money from him and he always obliges him. He is indeed a noble man. He spends money generously. He takes risks but does not refuse to lend money. Antonio is a true friend. He has great love and affection for his friend Bassanio. In the tale, he always speaks about his love for his friend Bassanio. When Bassanio comes to him to ask a loan of 3,000 ducats, he does not refuse, although he doesn't have any money at that time. He goes to Shylock with him and requests him to give him the money on his behalf. Although he has some enmity with Shylock, but for the sake of his friend, he asks the Jew for the loan. When Shylock wants him to sign the bond of 1 pound flesh to be cut off from his body, he readily agrees. He sacrifices his life for his friend Bassanio and signs the agreement. Although Antonio is a gentleman, but he is not free from Christian prejudice against the Jews. He hates Jews. He regards them as merciless, greedy, and cruel. He calls the Shylock a dog and a cur. he spits on him. On the other hand, he is presented as a symbol of nobility and goodness, but at the same time, he has been shown to us a credible human being with common human weakness. Shylock. Shylock is a Jewish money lender who was confined by the laws limiting Jews participating in Venetian society and subject to Christian prejudice and scorn. He makes money by giving loans to the people on high interest and dislike Antonio for not doing so, and especially for ruining his business as Antonio sometimes pay the debt of those who can't repay their loans in time and thus ruin Shylock enrichment by taking control of their fortunes. Shylock is a revengeful person. When Antonio approaches him for a loan of 3,000 ducats for his friend, he agrees to give him money without any interest and decided to ask for a pound of flesh as his bond from Antonio. Cruel. Shylock was a cruel man. He was knowing that Antonio is ruined as his ships were lost in the sea. He is delighted at the possibility of cutting out the merchant's heart and take his revenge. He rejects Bassanio's offer of paying money in place of Antonio and insists for a pound of flesh. He even refuses Portia's plea for having mercy upon him. The cruel Jew meets his fortune at the end of the play when he is found to be guilty of murdering Antonio. Although the Duke pardoned his life at the court, but his half health was taken by the court and half was given to Antonio, who entrusts his share to Jessica, Shylock's daughter, and further demands Shylock to convert into be a Christian. Portia. Portia is the only female leading character of the tale Merchant of Venus. She is the heroine of the play. She is young and beautiful. She is rich lady left by his fathers with large property and business. She is the only heiress of his father's wealth. In the tale we are told that she had a charming and attractive personality. Everyone knows about her beauty and wealth. That's why everyone wants to marry her. She has many suitors to marry, but his father, before his death, has designed a casket. The person who chooses the correct casket will marry Portia only. Bassanio chose the correct casket and entitled to marry Portia. Portia is an intelligent lady, capable of taking quick and right decisions. When she is told that Bassanio's friend is in trouble, she directs him to go to Venice and help his friend Antonio. Later she herself decided to come for help of her husband's friend. She comes and handles the case with wisdom, resourcefulness, and presence of mind. She gets legal advice from her cousin and then disguises herself as a lawyer and takes Nerissa as her clerk and follows the case successfully. No one in the court knows that she was a lady. There is no femininity and shyness in her personality. Portia has a well-balanced personality. She is wise and clever. She defends Antonio in the court with strong arguments. She knows how to speak in the court. She answered every question with wisdom and boldness. She cleverly proceeded further in the trial and at last defeat Shylock. She knows how to respond to the questions in the court and how to plead in favor of Antonio. She takes quick decisions, which later proves to be right. In the end of the play, she asks Bassanio about the ring, which she had given him. Bassanio responds with great earnestness that he had not given the ring to any lady. Later, she herself revealed the truth about the ring to put an end to the tension. We can say that Portia is the heroine of the play. She can rightly be called the beauty of the play. She is beautiful, intelligent, wise, bold, courageous, witty, and practical. All the story revolves around her personality. Bassanio. Bassanio is a young and handsome man of Venus. He is a close friend of Antonio and fond of splendid living. He spends money lavishly. That's why he is always in debt and usually borrows large sum of money from his friend Antonius and wastes the money. He is an adventurer who wants to marry a young rich lady Portia in order to inherit her wealth and repair his fortune. He comes to Antonio to borrow 3,000 ducats. Here, he seems to be a fair weather friend to Antonio for the sake of his money. But in the play later, he is presented as a true friend of Antonio. He set off for Belmont along with his friend to hold the marriage with Portia. He spends the money borrowed from Shylock lavishly. He is not in the position to return the loan. At last, when he returns the money to Shylock, it is not his own money, but Portia's. Bassanio's love for his friend Antonio is true and has depth and reality. We comes to know when he returns from Venus at once when he comes to know about that Shylock is appeared in the court for demanding a pound of flesh from his friend. He offered money to Shylock and plead his case, and he is much pleased when Antonio's life was saved at the end. Bassanio loves a rich and wealthy lady Portia living in Belmont. His love for her is genuine. He risks all his belongings for her sake. He goes to Belmont and married her. He even borrows money and takes many risks to marry this lady. At the end of the play, when his wife is offended on the issue of the ring, Bassanio is very unhappy to have so offended his dear wife. He says with great earnestness that he was not given the ring to any woman but to a civil counselor. Then he begs her pardon for giving away the ring given to him by Portia. There are many other characters, apart from the main leading characters in the play Merchant of Venus. But here I am talking about the three main supportive characters in the play who build the story and move through the action. Nerissa. Nerissa is Portia's lady-in-waiting and a friend. She is a merry wench, fully supportive of her mistress in all. She has high hopes that Bassanio will return She agrees to marry Gratiano on the condition that Bassanio succeed in the task of choosing correct casket. She also takes care of Jessica when she arrives Belmont. Moreover, she joins Portia in disguise as a clerk to save Antonio. Gratiano. Gratiano is a friend of Bassanio and Antonio. He is a great talker. He is almost impossible to stop. He helps Lorenzo to abduct Jessica, and he himself fall in love with Nerissa, Portia's lady in waiting, and marries her. He returned to Venice with Bassanio on his mission to rescue Antonio, and give his tongue free rein during the trial and mercilessly mocking at Shylock. Like Bassanio, he is willing to prefer Antonio's life over his newly acquired wife, Nerissa. Jessica. Jessica is Shylock's daughter. She does not have a happiest home life with her father. Although she feels wrong that she doesn't actually like her father, but she can't agree with his ways. She falls in love with a Christian, Lorenzo, and manages to escape with him to Belmont. She also takes precious jewels and riches with her. Surprisingly, she does not speak on hearing what happened to her father, nor on learning that she and Lorenzo will inherit all his wealth on his death. Let's have a look how to write a character sketch for a given character. Dear students, before writing a character sketch, we have a brainstorm. Think about the character, what you know about him or her, and note down the important points or traits about him or her. Then write down these points or traits in number form, bullet form, or present them as a diagram as you like it. I have shown the both for you. Then explain these traits while writing the character sketch. Remember that in English, headings are not allowed in essays, character sketching, or in any long question. Although some people do this practice, but I am not recommending it to you as it is against the standard. I also share some links that will help you in character sketching. You can take help from your notes as well. Dear students, I hope now you have understand the characters of Merchant of Venus and also learn how to write a character sketch. Let's have a look at your assignment. You have to write down the character sketch for the following characters. That's Antonio, Shylock, Portia, Bassanio. I have shared the link in the group. It will help you in writing the character sketch for these characters. I hope it will be helpful for you. See you next week, inshallah.